you have a presence here in Buffalo. You've cooked for many of the Bills players. You've been on the Food Network, and you've done such great work. But it's not just the bold flavors in the kitchen. You are bold with your fashions. So tell us about what you kind of work with Adrian Jules to do to customize and really have the signature Chef Darian style on every look.
I didn't want to be the average chef, right? That's why I call up Peter. I'm like, listen, I want to be different. Make me something different. When I got married like 8 years ago, I got this like tailcoat for my, suit, whatever I come up with, right? I'm like, I like this look. How can I get this look in the kitchen? So that's where that design comes from, the tailcoat, you know what I mean? It's like a chef's tail. I call it a chef's tail. Man, it's a statement piece. People see me, they want to know more about me and what I do. I love it.